How to use Cash App at McDonald's. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to learn how to easily order food from McDonald's using your Cash App, you're in the right place. So the process is simple. You just have to listen and follow a few easy steps to enjoy your meal. So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of McDonald's application on your mobile device and it's updated to the latest version available. Now open the McDonald's application on your smartphone and log into your specific account. Once the app is opened, browse the menu and select the food items you want to order. After making your selection, go to the checkout screen or payment method section to finalize your order. Next, choose your preferred payment method. Look for the option to select Cash App Card as your payment method, and by selecting the Cash App Card, you will add it to your payment options for the McDonald's. The process is smooth and straightforward, ensuring an easy transaction for your order. So finally, after selecting your Cash App card for payment, all that's left to do is pick up your food when it's ready. It's that simple to use your Cash App card for a McDonald's order. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.